Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration CK66DDU 2016, Renault Trafic LL29 Energy dCi 145 Sport Factory Crew Cab L2 Van. It's a factory-fitted crew cab 5-seater and it's done 115,000 miles. It has a full service history and is ULEZ compliant. The van comes with electric leather seats, air conditioning, cruise control, 19 INCH alloys, DAB radio, sat-nav, keyless entry and push-to-start, 2 key cards, parking sensors, privacy glass, roof sidebars, reverse camera, tow bar, heated screen, twin exhaust, factory body kit, yellow brake calipers, Bluetooth, carpeted in the rear and a top factory ICE unit. It's a nice rare model with a super high factory spec loaded with extras. This LWB factory crew cab is in excellent condition throughout and has a good service record to go with it. Full MOT full service are included in the sale, PX is considered at trade value, finance is available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.